Right, welcome back guys, welcome back. So in this lesson we're gonna basically be talking about big banks and retail traders. So which is retail traders and the market makers, right? So for this example, I'm basically gonna be using GDP USD. I find it as a great example to illustrate this concept. So obviously this method, it works on every pair guys. On every pair we can see this method. You can apply it very successfully and you will get results that are definite and for sure. So this video won't be actually long guys, because it actually covers, it's actually part of the previous lesson, which is the physiology of the market. So basically the physiology of the market, it's something that's linked in retail traders and the market makers, which are the big banks, right? So what is a retail trader, right? So that's where, or that's the question you should be asking yourself right now, since this lesson is about retail traders and market makers, which are the big banks. So the retail traders guys are basically us, right? You and me, right? Myself and yourself. So I'm a retail trader, right? You are a retail trader, and every person actually that doesn't has like a facility, like insurance companies, owning banks, bank owners, you know, country. Thing is, the list goes on and on guys, but I don't want to complicate things and I don't want to confuse you, so I will just be as simple as possible so that you can understand this concept, right? So retail traders are you and I, right? So what are big banks and market makers? So the market makers or big banks are the people which make these moves, right? The big banks and the market makers are actually the people who create these moves, right? These moves. So just use an arrow for that. The big banks are people who, let me just start from these so that you can understand. These are big banks. So these are big banks. These are big banks. And these are big banks, right? Make that up. So these are big banks, right? So I'll say have a move, sharp move up, right? So these are big banks guys, these are big banks. So I will just move it like this, so we will get into the empty arrows, right? So because the market, it has to move up, it has to move down, up, down, up, and then in these empty gaps, this is where I will show you. So this is where we are the retail traders. This is where we are the retail traders. This is where we are the retail traders, right? So wherever there's no arrow, so let me just smart it up so that you can understand better. So I'm change color. So I'm just say red, right? So I'll just use red. Just use red. So this, and this, right? So I'll go back. So I want you to notice this, guys. This is a big game changer, guys. This is a big game changer. I can already feel that when your guys start applying this, you're gonna see a whole lot difference within your trading. It's gonna be a game changer. If you've never traded the markets before, you are coming as a beginner, you will basically have a quicker journey, right? But if you are an experienced trader, you will see massive changes in your trading career, and I'm talking about success changes, right? So back to the lesson. So the yellow arrows are the market makers, and then the red arrows represent us retail traders, right? So the question now that you should be asking yourself is, would you rather be on these moves? Would you rather be on move A? So I'll just say, just put A, and then I'll put B, right? So would you rather be on move A or move B, right? That's the question you should be asking yourself. And if you are a wise trader, you would want to associate yourself with A moves, right? Not B moves, right? So that's the whole concept around this. So now the reason why we are basically going through all this is that you guys, when you trade, or when we trade, we basically align ourselves with A movements, right? We don't associate ourselves with B movements, but we only associate ourselves with A movements, not B movements, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and bring price action back so that we can see what we're talking about. So go back again. So remember what I just said. What we are basically gunning for is associating or aligning ourselves with A moves, not B moves, right? So A moves are the market makers and big banks, and then B moves are us, the retail traders. So the next question that you should be basically asking yourself is why do these moves sorry about that. So why do these moves basically, why are A moves stronger than B moves, right? So that's the question that you should be asking. So remember that A moves are big banks, right? The market makers. So these are what we call the companies, right? The companies that run the GDPs of the countries, companies which employ people. We clearly know that most of our parents are employed, or even us at this stage. Some of us are employed and all that. So these A moves are all that, right? These A moves are all that. So they have a lot of equity. They have a lot of equity. They have a lot of volume. So they can basically move or manipulate the markets in whichever direction, because they have the power to basically do what? Move these markets, right? Versus the B people. So the A people are the one with influence, are the one with equity. So these are big banks, these are governments, these are companies and so forth and so on, right? So they have a lot of money. So if they wanted the markets to easily go down, they would basically use their capital to do that, right? So us, the retail traders, what we basically must do is align ourselves with these A movement people, right? So that's about it. I'm pretty sure that was crystal clear. But then again, if you do not understand, you don't have to go anywhere, guys. You just have to go back and rewatch the video until you actually make sense and understand of this, right? So this A and B is just an example representing what these moves, right? So don't let it slip off your mind, guys. We are still explaining these moves. There's strong moves. So we said the strong moves, they are big banks, right? These are big banks. So now what we basically gunning for is knowing where these big boys are, right? So these big boys are here, guys. This is where the big boys are. These high points. This is a big boy, and this right here is a big boy, right? This is where major moves like happens, right? We can all agree on that. So every time when it gets to these highs, it does what? It basically switches directions and moves strongly towards the direction, right? These are the points that we are basically looking at, right? These are where the big boys are, right? These are where the big boys are. So understanding that on its own, guys, it's a big game changer, because now it gives you power and an edge over the markets, because now what you basically know, or what you're basically looking for, is you're looking for these strong movements, these big boys, these market makers, these banks. So this is where these people are positioned, right? This is where these people are positioned. So we have to be very patient, guys. Sometimes we have to be very patient and wait for the market to get to these points, right? So we only trade along these points. So once the market pushes up and maybe reaches 50% of this move, so what we're basically looking for is, we're not really much active on the markets, because we are already, these are the areas we are basically focusing on, right? So much here we're not quite interested what goes on here. It's not really important, but the important part is these points, right? Because this is where the big monies are positioned. So if you can position yourself in these areas, you will see a big change in your trading journey, right? So that's basically the lesson of this video. On the purpose of this video is to basically, as I've explained, the difference between the retail and the market makers, which are the big banks. So if you have any questions or whatsoever, guys, you can definitely ask for clarity and be specific on which video lesson that you need clarity on. I'm here for you guys, and I want to see you grow. I want to see you become the best versions of yourselves, and I want us to reach our goals, you know. And yeah, guys, and basically make a lot of money from this, because that's the whole point, right? We're not here to basically know everything about the market. So we only just here to get the money and learn how this thing is structured or systemized, right? So that's what we are looking for. So this video will just I will just end the video right here. If you have or need any clarity on retail traders and market makers or big banks, you can hit me up. Cheers, guys. Thank you for watching. Let's stay profitable. Cheers.